Well, it's that time of year. It's the time for friends and family to be getting together and celebrating Christmas. It's the time of year when we begin a new year. And I just wanted to say that I hope all of you are having a wonderful Christmas and have a wonderful year. I hope all of you had a wonderful 2018. It was a really good year for me. Me and my wife, my family, we bought a house. I got a really excellent new job, and it's just been an excellent year for us. So I just wanted to wish all of you that you get something for Christmas that has something to do with what you love to do, whether it be making or anything. So down in the description below, tell me what you got. Tell me how your year went. Tell me of a project that you accomplished that you were really proud of. Tell me something you got for Christmas that involves making something or building anything. So to conclude this little short video, I want to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and thank you for a wonderful year from Just Go Make It. So until next time, get out there and just go make it. See you later.